don't take travel for granted. If you told me that international flights would not be happening, I would never have believed you. So I think just don't take things for granted. My mother's a fantastic cook, so I've always had good food on the table. Both my grandmothers were also good cooks, so I've always enjoyed eating. And as an adult, I appreciate cooking now. I'm a people person. I like working with people, having them in front of me and talking to people. And so it's interesting now interacting through a screen. I've started doing a few online classes. Interacting with former customers and also doing Facebook Live, and we've done Instagram Live a couple of times. And so, yeah, we're evolving and trying to see different ways that we can conduct business. Elsa, Zoe says you have to stick around. Zoe's my camera girl. The flour and the butter. So my garden started out, I like to grow my own herbs. I like being able to just go and get what I want when I want it. And so whenever I have a little bit extra, I like to give it to my friends, my parents. I don't really foresee me being able to sell anything because we like to eat too much. Everybody's trying to figure out what their next step is going to be. Nobody has a plan. I mean, nobody has a master plan. And so I think we need to think outside the box and do things a little bit differently, and it doesn't have to be conventional. So I'd just say think outside the box. The message that I would like to send to our travelers and future travelers is that as much as we would like to see you here right now, safety is our first priority, and we want everybody to be safe. We will always be the island of sun, sea, and sand, and hopefully soon we will see your face in Antigua and Barbuda and at Nicole's table.